name it. And so this went straight to #1 in my house. The wild of the wilderness convinced my heart to stay. Be a Highland or a Lowland man, you're never far away. The hills and moors and forest trails, how they make me proud. There's just one thing hangs up above, it's hidden in the cloud. It rains every day on our Caledonian land. There's many washed away, but the faithful make a stand. You will never see their light, so think before you leave. A Scotland without rain is only make-believe. When the sun it comes to visit us, it's only now and then in all its glory see the heather on the bend. The peat beneath your footprint will just begin to dry when God remembers where He is and sends it from the sky. It rains every day on our Caledonian lands. There's many washed away, but the faithful make a stand. You will never see their light, so think before you leave. A Scotland without rain is only make-believe. When they try to take our lands away, we've always made a stand to keep the reds, the greens and browns that cover our fair land. And when you stop to wonder, it soon becomes quite clear. Without that rain to keep it lush, there'd be nothing here. 'Cause it rains every day on our Caledonian lands. There's many washed away, but the faithful make a stand. You will never see their light, so think before you leave. A Scotland without rain is only make-believe. 'Cause it rains every day on our Caledonian land. There's many washed away, but the faithful make a stand. You will never see their light, so think before you leave. A Scotland without rain is only make-believe. A Scotland without rain is only make-believe. This next song I wrote, being kind of addicted to old romantic Scottish historic songs, I thought I'd like to turn them all on their head. And this is a song